This is my market haul.
All right, market haul, market haul. So, the 21 days raw challenge is coming up. And one of the ways that we prepare for the 21 days raw challenge is to eat more fruits and veggies and eat less, more fresh raw fruits and veggies and eat less of our cooked foods and processed foods and stuff like that. So for me, I don't eat meat and stuff like that, but I do eat cooked plant foods. So one of the things I'm going to do within the next couple of weeks, I think there's 2 weeks left, 2 weeks and maybe a couple days left for the start of the 21 days raw challenge. So market haul is here. I have my coconuts, I have my grapes, my sugar cane, my grapefruit, my tangerine, and I also have some juices, some natural juices. So this is moringa, June plum, and green juice right here. So this is how we start the preparation process. Yeah, 21 days raw challenge. If you have not yet signed up for the 21 days raw challenge, if you have not yet registered for the Raw Fam membership on Patreon, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? Just in case you are living under a rock and you're not quite sure how to register for the Raw Fam membership on Patreon, all you have to do is click the Raw Fam Patreon link in the description section and sign up, become a member, because 2024 will be the most radical year of your life. It will be a year of transformation in your health, making more money, building your brand. If you take this step, if you invest in yourself in this way and join the membership, and once you are a part of the Raw Fam Radical tier, you automatically get free access to all the challenges that we'll be having in the year. And it won't just be the 21 days raw challenge, there will be more challenge, right? So stay tuned for the details on that. Click the link and register Raw Fam membership on Patreon. So it's the Raw Fam Radical tier on Patreon. Looking forward to being a part of your wellness, health, and wealth journey in 2024 and beyond. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, raw love, my radicals.